how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're gonna do a little first impressions on the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. When I saw that this palette was gonna be a thing, I lost my mind. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that is. There are so many shimmers and metallics and it's beautiful. Holy moly. I just looked it up. I bought this the day it released for $18 and it's actually right now on sale, 19% off for $14.50. I don't know if it's still gonna be on sale when I upload this video, but $18 is still a great deal. You get 20 eyeshadows for $18. That comes to 90 cents per eyeshadow, which is incredible. Provided that they work good, that's incredible. Each shadow is 1.1 grams. I feel like they're pretty standard eyeshadow size. If you haven't seen one of my first impressions videos before, I just take the palette brand new. I've never touched it before in my life. I create a look on the spot, kind of give you my thoughts and feelings as I'm playing with it, and at the end I'll tell you if it's worth it or not. I already went ahead and primed my eyes with some Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna dip right into some shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Electric. Starting in this first part of the crease, I'm just gonna start laying this down. That is so vibrant and neon, I love. And I'm really just focusing this right here. I don't really want to exceed that point. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Palooza, doing the same thing I just did, but focusing this on the center portion of the crease. Oh, I like this purpley shade that it's creating with them meshing together. That is so cute. I'm using very light pressure and holding my brush upside down so that it blends upwards rather than down because I'm going to be cutting the crease. I'm going to take that pink brush again with no product. Just start blending them together. It's like cotton candy threw up on my eyes and I love it. I'm going to go ahead and take Swag and I want to focus this on this outer portion. Oh, that's a lot of pigment. All right, trying again. We're just going to blend this in this outer portion right here. You really don't need a lot of product with this palette. Little goes a very long way. I'm happy with that crease, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease out. Starting in this inner portion, I just slowly and precisely start mapping it out. I go slightly above my natural crease. Whenever my concealer looks like it's starting to go higher than I originally planned, I just go with it because that means that's where my lid is going to touch my crease anyways, and my shadows would transfer if I don't just go with it. Once I get to this outer edge, I just lightly pat with the excess just to blend everything out. And then you have that nice clean base. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush that I cut my crease with and take Spirit. And I am just gonna pack this all on the lid. Oh my gosh, that is so magical. It's so sparkly and pretty. Oh, I love this. Honestly, you could stop here and leave the look like this, maybe just smudge a little bit of something on the lower lash line, but I want to keep making this extra creative. I'm gonna take Neon, and I'm gonna run this all in that inner corner. This is so pretty. That pink brush again, just to diffuse and blend those colors together. I'm actually just gonna flip that brush over and dip into Euphoria. And I'm gonna pack this just in this very inner portion, kind of right where that green is ending. I'm now gonna dip into Ultimate, and I'm gonna smudge that right next to that, just in the center portion. Lastly, dipping into Wicked. Just popping this on this outer portion right here. I really don't want to exceed this lower lash line. The only color we really lost through that is Ultimate, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit more of that right in the center. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna take Trixie. I think I'm gonna pop a tiny bit of that in the inner corner as well. So this is the full look. I really hope you like it. I love it. This might be one of my favorite looks I've done in a while. I think it is so fun, so bright, super festival for all of you festival goers out there. Now I'm ready to share my thoughts with you. I think that this is a beautiful palette. I didn't have any issues. I think the colors are so vibrant. They look just as vibrant on the eyes as they do in the palette. I think it's such a great deal. If you are a color lover, then this is a great palette for you. Or even those of you who stick to mostly basic basics but want to dabble in color, I think this would be a good palette because you do have your neutrals in here and then plenty of pops of color. And they were so easy to work with and so affordable that I think it's a good way to kind of branch out into more colorful looks. I can see myself dipping into this many times over the next while. I can't wait to play with this some more. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials because I will be more than happy to do so. Did any of you get this palette? I want to know your thoughts. Are you planning on getting this palette? Let's chat about it. Side note, I also ordered the BH Cosmetics liquid foundation off their site and I'm trying it out today for the first time and I'm already loving it. I will update you in the future of how well it's wearing, but I'm loving this as well. I feel like my skin just looks so good today. Super happy with my makeup. It's a great makeup day. For all the details for the rest of what I'm wearing on my face, it will be listed down below as usual. If you enjoy these first impressions videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making more. They are my favorite videos to film. Please hop over to my Instagram, it's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I've been posting every 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye! Kanade, stop it! Don't eat boxes, you weirdo! So I went at... Kanade, are you done? I need some music.